Hey, it's Emma. We're in Brooklyn. I live here, and I'm showing you all of my favorite places around Brooklyn. We're going to a coffee shop, a record store, and you're not going to want to miss it. I'm taking you to my favorite, most gate-kept vintage store. On this episode of Chime Well Spent, I'm going to show you the best places in Brooklyn to spend your money. One Chime card tap at a time, so stick around and let's go. Okay, we're at Acre, and I literally come to this place every single day to get my coffee. It is so cute, and they have so many cute little ceramics. I have been looking at these. I really want these. I don't know what they're used for, but they're cute. Look at these little dishes. Like, that is adorable. I feel like I've seen this on Pinterest before. I kind of want it. And they have the cutest little linens. These are so, I love the blue stripe. I love the blue stripe. My feet are way too big for them though. Hi, how are you? Could I do an iced oat cappuccino? Thank you. I forgot that you were here. Come here every day. There we go. This is my favorite coffee in all of Brooklyn. It's the perfect espresso to oat milk ratio. Like look at that color. It's incredible. So good. Something I like about Chime is how you can take a purchase like this. It's for $8.08, but I've got roundups on. So it'll round up to the next dollar and save the change for me. Gotta love saving without trying. Now we're going to Beacon's Closet. It is my favorite vintage store in all of New York City. The prices are amazing and the selection's really good. You just have to be willing to dig. It takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it. And we're at Beacon's. This one specifically is the best one. It's in Greenpoint. You have to go if you're in the city. It's so big and it has the best selection. I literally got this bag here for like $10. It's the best. Okay, now we go shopping. I like starting in the jackets because they have the best jackets, so let's do that first. Wait, this is kind of fun. I'm kind of obsessed with this. Okay, this is also kind of random. No, it's just kidding, just kidding. This is my favorite thing to do in the whole world. I'm surprised I haven't found another cute jacket yet. What is this? That's so bad. I kind of like this. We're trying them on. Is this a Halloween costume? It has to be. It's giving superhero. Now we're gonna see if I can find a bag that I like as much as the one that I came with. Kind of a hard thing to beat, but we'll see. This literally is from my closet. What are we putting in this? Like really, what's going in there? Okay, this is like so early 2000s, but I kind of like it. Like I feel like Mary-Kate and Ashley would have this. Okay, this is literally perfect. Let's go try it on. I can't tell if this jacket is cute or if I look like I'm in a marching band. I actually like this sweater. I actually like this sweater way more than I thought I would. It's like the perfect color. I like actually need to be stopped. I need to be stopped when it comes to jorts. Like somebody needs to tell me no, and that somebody is me. Okay, we got the haul, and now we're gonna go shop more at my favorite record store with my Chime card. Okay, we're at my favorite record store. We're in the market for like maybe some dad rock, pop, I don't know, like I'll do anything, but let's go see what they have. We're gonna flip through some country. Ooh, funk and disco, okay. We love. Wait, I also am like super into jazz right now. I feel like that would be a really fun record to have. I don't have a lot of jazz records either, which I feel like is kind of chic to have them. Ooh. Okay, I don't even know who this is, but I love this album cover and it's $4. I feel like maybe we go with this one. And then you also can't forget to hit up the $1 section. It's so fun to look through. Thank you. Yay! I got a record for less than $5, which is amazing. Basically free, if you ask me. Okay, we're at our next stop, and I'm meeting up with my friend Daisy. We're gonna be making our own scents and spending the afternoon together. I am so excited. Let's go. Ah! Whoa, this is so cool. Oh, okay. I like it. It smells like the ones in magazines when you're a kid. And you know? Yeah. Okay, Blakey. Oh, I like this one. Yeah? I think this one's my favorite so far. It smells like a cucumber martini. We're clearing our sinuses. I don't like it. Lulu. Lulu? Okay. I'm going with Cam.
If you had second favorites on the wall too, feel free to mention those.
I'll go first. I'm feeling brave. I don't like floral.
Okay.
I like something a little bit more subtle.
I think we got a good variety.
I'm excited. No. This feels kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like I'm at the spa.
I have this experience.
The soft jazz, I'm loving that. Okay. Okay, you're supposed to smell yourself to like reset. It looks like she's dabbing. Okay. I think this is my winner. I think I'm changing my mind.
Okay, I'm sticking with this one. But we don't know what it is.
I think this is my winner.
This is my winner.
It kind of smells like a tree in a good way. Okay, I think I have my winner.
Wait, I have my winner.
Twins! Do you guys want to smell and see? Look, it says my name. Love. We're checking out with my Chime card. This was such a great value. I am obsessed. Okay, we got our perfumes. That was such a cool experience. And now we're gonna go get pizzas and finish the day at Roberta's. Now we're making a pit stop at an ATM because you never know when you're gonna need a little bit of cash. Let's go. This is one of my favorite restaurants in New York City. I love it here so much. Okay, I love everything on their menu, but the bee sting is definitely my favorite. It is their most popular, and it's popular for a reason. It is so good. I'm gonna get that, and then we're gonna go eat it in the park and have a little picnic. It's gonna be super cute. And can I get it to go?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Nice.
Okay, my pizza's in the oven. I'm excited. Oh my God, it looks so good. Okay, here, thank you. Okay, and now we're walking to Domino Park to eat our pizza and have a little picnic. It's, in my opinion, the best view of Manhattan. It's so pretty. Okay, ready? Look at this view. It's insane. Cheers! It's so good. Thanks so much for watching Time Well Spent. I hope you enjoyed the places that I took you to. You should totally check them out, but not too much that there's a line when I go. If you liked what you learned about Chime and you want to sign up, my referral code is below.